everyone, this is Adya from Gwinkin Prime TV. Here I am with the latest English news bulletin. Let's start with international news. India-US to hold trade talks in New Delhi on Tuesday. Negotiators says India and the United States are resuming trade discussions shortly after the US imposed steep tariffs on Indian exports because of India's continued Russian oil purchases. As ties with US play, Indian sentiment turns sharply against America. Following controversial remarks and tariff actions by the US, public opinion in India is growing more critical and distrustful. Now some national news. Modi to visit Tripura, Arunachal on September 22nd. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to tour the northeastern states to inaugurate development and connectivity projects. Feeding pigeons banned ahead of September 26 air show. Authorities in Chandigarh have prohibited feeding birds within 10 km of the airport to reduce risk of aircraft ahead of a major air event. From sports news, historic R. Vaishali defends FIDE Women's Grand Swiss title, becomes the third Indian to enter Candidates 2026. With this win, Vaishali cements her status among India's top female chess players. India thumped Pakistan in politically charged Asia Cup clash. India beat Pakistan by 7 wickets in the recent match, dedicating the win to the armed forces amid ongoing tensions. Pakistan coach disappointed India did not shake hands at Asia Cup. The issue of no handshake before or after the match has been formally raised by the ICC of the Pakistan. Big blow for Afghanistan. Naveen Al-Haq ruled out of Asia Cup 2025 due to injury. A key player loss for Afghanistan's bowling lineup. Now some local news. Youth killed father injured in knife attack over smoking papers in Sirsa. In Tilokwala village, a 22-year-old named Sunny died trying to protect his father from attackers demanding smoking papers. The father is critically injured. 3 women killed as government bus hits tractor in Sirsa. Tragic accident in Elnabad when a Haryana Roadways bus collided with a tractor trolley, leaving 3 women dead and several others injured. Crops standing over 800 acres destroyed by waterlogging farmers demand relief. Farmers in Sirsa claim heavy rains have damaged standing crops over large areas, calling for government compensation. Now some weather forecast. Today, September 16, 2025, mostly clear, hazy sun, high 36 degree to 37 degrees Celsius, low 26 to 27 degrees Celsius, rain probability very low, 2 to 3%. That's all for today. For more updates, stay connected with Gwinkin Prime TV. Thank you.